CO2 cartridges are fascinating. These small tanks are pressurized to around 1,000 pounds per square inch. But how much gas is that? Well, I could bore you with a theoretical calculation, which would tell you there's about 6.5 liters of carbon dioxide. Or I could show you. Here's a cartridge, an adapter tube, and a balloon. Let's see what happens. The rubber of the balloon exerts its own pressure on the gas, so that's why the balloon isn't quite 6.5 liters. Well, there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, perhaps you'll like my other videos.